the breaking news right now, Neeraj Chopra has got us a silver medal at the World Championships, guys. It's a historic win for India, and he becomes the first Indian. He becomes the first Indian to win a silver medal at the World Championships, only after Anju Bobby George, who had got us a bronze medal at the World Championships 2003. But Neeraj Chopra becomes the first Indian to get us a silver medal at World Championships. Well, it is a massive.
Yes. Yes. It's a big victory there for Neeraj Chopra. Yes, please continue, Srijani. Tell us more.
Achievement for India. I mean, what else can we say about it? Neeraj Chopra gets us the silver medal 1 year after he got us the gold medal at the Olympics. He got us a silver medal today, and this day will be remembered for ages now. I mean, Neeraj Chopra, the name speaks for itself, Samiksha.
Well, absolutely, Srijani. You know, the Athletics Federation of India has the first tweet coming in from the Athletics Federation of India saying that it is a historic World Championship medal for the country. Olympic champion Neeraj Chopra has won silver medal in men's javelin throw final of the World Athletics Championship with a throw of 88.13 meters. Congratulations, India. So indeed a big day for the country. Neeraj Chopra bagging silver medal at the World Athletics Championship 2022. And if we can connect with the uncle of Neeraj Chopra again to get the first response of Neeraj Chopra's relatives on the stellar victory, the stellar performance of Neeraj Chopra at the World Athletics Championship. Neeraj Chopra there bagging a silver medal at the World Athletics Championship, bringing silver glory to the country. So that's a big win for the country, for Neeraj Chopra, representing the whole of the country and yet again scripting history there at the World Athletics Championship. The tweet that has also been put out by the World Athletics, by the Athletics Federation of India, it's saying that it is indeed a historic moment for India. Neeraj Chopra, the Olympic champion, has yet again scripted history at the World Athletics Championship, bagging a silver medal. And remember, as Srijani was telling us, after Bobby George, Anju Bobby George, Neeraj Chopra there, the second Indian to have made history there at the World Athletics Championship. And Neeraj's, in fact, relatives who also spoke to us said that Neeraj's morale was very high just before the match began. Srijani continues to be with us. Srijani, take us through all the live updates. Take us through all the reactions as well coming in, the congratulatory posts for Neeraj Chopra. Take it away. Well, Srijani will also be joining us. The first visuals that we are getting to you right now, where the celebrations are underway. You can see the happy faces of Neeraj Chopra's relatives. Sweets are being distributed after Neeraj Chopra there grabbing.
सिल्वर मिला है बाबा जी से उनके दादा से बात
The family members are all very elated after the amazing performance, a fantastic performance of Neeraj Chopra there at the World Athletics Championship 2022. Neeraj Chopra bringing a silver medal